How to convert image JPG to PDF on iPhone in seconds. First, open the photo apps on your device, then select the picture you want to save as PDF on your device, like the one you see on the screen. Now tap on the share icon here, then scroll up, tap on print, tap on the share icon again. You can see creating PDF file. Now tap on save file here. Now you have to select a location you want to save it here. I want to save it inside my iCloud drive, then tap on save. Then that has been saved. Now let's go and check that. Open the file app on your device. Now go to the saved location, which is iCloud. Tap on it. Now the image that you saved, and here is the photo, so tap on it to open it. You can see it's now in PDF format. So that's all, guys, on how to convert image JPG to PDF on iPhone. If you get this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.